Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix your Snapchat media upload showing up into your Snap problem. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So first of all, you have to ensure that you have a stable internet connection. For that, you have to try switching between your Wi-Fi and the mobile data to see that if the issue is persist or not. After that, you have to update your Snapchat. For that, simply go into your App Store or the Play Store that you are using. And from here you have to go in the search and search for your application. Now here you have to make sure that you have the latest version of Snapchat that is installed into your device. Now, updates can often include the bug fixes. Now it can also resolve the media upload issues. After that you have to go to your device settings. Now from here, simply go in the apps and find the option of your Snapchat and simply tap on it. Then go to storage. Now from here you have to clear the application cache. This can help to resolve the temporary glitches. After that, you have to simply close the settings. Simply open up Snapchat, and after that, close it, and then you have to restart your device. Now this can often fix the minor software issues that is happening into your device. After that, you also have to ensure that the Snapchat has the necessary permissions to access your camera, photos, and the storage, and you can check this into your device settings. Now, if none of the above steps work, then you can reach out to the Snapchat support for further assistance. So these are the steps that you can do to fix your Snapchat media upload. So that's basically how you can fix your Snapchat media upload showing up into your Snap problem. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.